lo time lo Moses. God bintok osem baigat big pla heavy because long pasin long olman blo sakim like blo God. You can read him long side blohos white plaliklik. Na mi lukluk na lukim one pelahos white pelaliklik na name bilongem mo site is sin down antap longen die. Na hell behind him one time na only give him power long all antap long number 4 half belong this pela ground belong kill him one time by not na one time hungry na one time die na one time all animal belong this pela ground. You look him this platok die, ha? Long English talk.
And I looked, and behold, a pale horse, and his name that sat on him was Death. And hell followed with him, and power was given unto them over the fourth part of the earth, to kill with sword, and with hunger, and with death, and with the beast of the earth.
To kill with sword, with hunger, with death, and with the beast of the earth.
Also, wanem all narapla bintanim big plasik. Now, sampla time, osem wanem all tanim tok blo Bible. All man blo tanim tok inap yusim one platok blo kisim ples blo narapla. Tasol true insight lo Bible, igat big plasik. Osem wanem something come up now, igat big plasik Ebola. Igat big plasik SARS. Igat big plasik osem kusnogut blongol pisin. Blolpik. Na nuplolgetem displa coronavirus. Now, uluk sabi long displa osem big plasik. Long Revelation 2:22. Long wanem mitok out clear long ol getawan wan manusat iharim ol tok bilong tok prophet bilong dispela book. Suppose one pela man by sukurim tok long ol dispela something. God by sukurim longem ol dispela big pela heavy. Emi write him insight long dispela book. Ol yusim longem big pela heavy. Long Greek tok long 41:27. Dispela tokem
Play J.
One plapasin blokilim. Osem kilim one to tasol.
By implication, a wound, figuratively a calamity. It can be plague, stripe, wound, etc.
This platok, big pla heavy. You can read him long Bible, true. Na olsem olibintanim long side, blow this plawano side, sit down lohos, white plaliklik, and bring him big pla heavy. Na inaplong all this planoken bagarapim yumi. Long 18 blow Revelation verse 4, this platok stop. Na miharim narapelanek ikam long heaven, speak, come outside longem, online man meri bilong mi, inaplong yupela inoken kisim hap, inside longol sin bilongem, na inaplong yupela inokisim hap, bilong all big pela heavy bilongem, big pla heavy, ikam long all sin blong all man. True, igat big pla heavy blow bagarapim this pla ground. Na right stop lo Bible osem number 4 hap. Osem na 4 pla hap blow all man. Oli bruk na melo 4 pla man blow sit down long host lo Revelation. Number 4 hap all by bungim all big pla heavy because long all sin. Display mo big pla heavy stop inside lo talk lo Bible. Start lo time lo Moses. God bintok osem baigat big pla heavy because long pasin long olman blow sakim like blow God. Time yumi give him back sight long good pla pasin wanem something planti man make him pasin nonggut pasin blow give him heavy long narapla pasin blow kill him man iday all drug kind 1 plus blow this pla big pla heavy no all time nonggut big sab long all man blong sit down long hos white plaliklik long revelation na red plahos pigsa blong wo all man kilim one planarapla musait sit down long red plahos bin kisim pawa blong take away bel easy lo displa ground osem na all by kilim iday one planarapla displa red plahos narapla black plahos pigsa blo time heavy lo displa life hungry na white plahos pigsablo ol gyaman lotu plantiol gyaman Christ na gyaman prophet miso imtasol o sem displa big plahevi come up now kay blosin na pasin blong ino behind him God